In this video, we'll quickly have a look on how to produce NC or NC1 files. So that can be found under Output, Drawing Automatic. There's an nc-dstv interface. Just press the execute button and all the NC files will be created. If now you need an NC1 extension, you would have to go through Extras, General. You would quickly have to switch off in the outputs AISC for NC1 and we'll get the NC1 files. And speaking of the NC files, if you need any scribing, you have to quickly go into the settings of the NC files and switch on the contour marking, yes or optimized.